Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be my PC build. For my PC build, I decided to go with a Ryzen 2700 AMD. I have an Asus motherboard. Oh no, it's not an Asus. This is, I don't even know what this is. A ROG Strix, a Republic of Gamers. That's Asus?
Yeah.
That's Asus. So I got Asus here. I got a RTX 2060, have a Barracuda 2 terabyte hard drive. I got a WD Blue SSD. I got Corsair 2 8 gigabytes, so I got 16 total. I got some extra fans here, some adapters, and my power supply, and my PC case. So we're gonna start with the Asus.
That's one sexy motherboard.
What do I do next, John?
Okay, so you put your CPU cooler on. Well, first off,
This one?
First off, install all your fans.
Okay.
Why did this flip?
I picked up these fans on Amazon. I'll link them in the description below. This fan came with a processor, so you don't have to worry about purchasing it. Since this was my first PC build, it took me a very long time. I had a lot of hiccups. For the first 2 hours, I was screwing in the motherboard with the wrong screws. But I am so happy I did it with the help of my cousins, Kaylani and John, and my brother Mark. I also definitely recommend building your own PC if you get the chance to. There were definitely times where I wanted to quit, like here, but after a long 5 hours, she's finished. This is what my gaming setup used to look like, and this is what it looks like now. I'm very pleased with how my PC turned out. I thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next video.